What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Tacoma Kenny, and on today's episode we're going to be replacing the halogen daytime running light bulbs with some LED upgraded bulbs from LexlandGear.com. I have a 20% discount code. It's code Tacoma Kenny for anything off at LexlandGear.com. It's a great company. They got a lot of different accessories for the newer model Toyota, 4Runner, Tacoma, and a Land Cruiser. I've used a few of their products. All been great so far. They've sent me these bulbs to try out. They offer them in white or amber, your choice. I went with the white. It actually looks a lot better, I think, with my fog lights and my ditch lights. Super bright. I've been testing these out for a week. I just want to make sure they didn't hyper flash before I made this video. They've worked out great so far. I'll do a little install quick vid on this. It takes a few seconds to change these out, but I'll show you real quick. We'll get the hood popped. Another product from LexlandGear.com that I love, hydraulic hood struts. That was my first upgrade to the truck. They've been wonderful. I've had them on here for a while now, and it should have came that way from the factory. They're available also as well. We'll dive in here to the driver's side headlight, show you, because I have a 6-element air intake on my passenger side, so it'd be different than what you're going to have factory. The factory has 4 pop rivets to take out a piece of the intake tube to get to the passenger side headlight, but we'll dive around here to the back side of this. It's an 1/8 turn lefty-loosey, comes right out. Always want to make sure your bulb's in tight when you go to change it, because I have made a mistake on some older bulbs I tried that were switchbacks. They hyper flashed. They also fell off into my headlight. That was a disaster. So just learn from my mistakes. Make sure the bulb's in tight, and I'll show you how to do it real quick. So I'm not sure how good you can see it from this angle, but I'll get a closer shot. The daytime running bulb is right here. Like I said, it's about 1/8 of a turn, lefty-loosey. Comes right out. These are how the bulbs look from Lexland. I wish I had a stock bulb to show you. They're just plain halogen amber, but super nice looking bulb. Like I said, make sure you push it down in the slot good enough. I'd also check to make sure they're working before you put them back in, especially on the passenger side, since you have to take more stuff out. And then we'll just put these back in. And that's all there really is to that. Just a quick twist out, pop the bulb in and out, push it back in and twist. So here it is in some pretty bright daylight today. And you can see just how bright the light is with this. I think the white looks very aesthetically pleasing. They do offer an amber if you want to stick with amber. Maybe your state requires you to. Not sure about that. We're here in Florida. We'll get you a shot now with a blinker on, then we'll do flashers. Here it is with the blinker on. You can see how bright that is. And we'll do flashers. Like I said, no hyper flashing. Here we are, just the flashers on. Headlights off. Now this is just with the daytime running lights on, headlights are off. And I'll get a shot of all this at nighttime too, after dark. Alright guys, that wraps up this install video. Like I said, these things look great. I think it's a nice aesthetic upgrade to the truck and helps you be a little more bright at night, you know, for safety reasons. Again, you can use the code Tacoma Kenny at checkout for 20% off anything at your purchase at Lexland.com. I'll leave a link in the video description to where you can pick up these lights along with the other products from Lexland as well that I use, like the hood struts or the bed step. Also have their A-pillar post handle to get in and out of the truck. All have been great so far. Really happy with the company. And this is just one more product that I'm happy to have from them. If you found this video useful or helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. It really helps me make more content like this. If there's anything in particular you want to see from Lexland.com on a Tacoma, let me know. I can send them an email, and they'll usually send me a product to try out for you guys. So let me know if there's something else in particular you want to see. Well, thanks again, guys, for watching. Have a great day.